ये अपना टाइम भी याद करने हम लोग करता था, हम भी हमारा मदद करते थे और ठीक है कैसे तो मैं भी बोलना चाह रहा था, मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा था कि इस वक्त जैसे हम सब लोग वहाँ बैठे हुए थे, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं अभी इन कपड़ों में हूँ या फिर यहाँ होटल में सेवा कर रहा हूँ तो मैं कोई स्पेशल हो गया। I am coming from the same platform only, the same IIT, same BTech, same professor, same study, everything same. And I was studying there. Then I got mercy of Sundar Baba Guru, and he inspired me also, and he taught me everything. And from very snatch I started. The only thing difference between you and me is at that time was this: I was curious to know. I was curious to know कि ऐसा क्यों होता है। जैसे कि अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन उठते होंगे, आज सुबह भी बहुत लोग क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे कि ऐसा होता तो क्या होता, वैसा होता तो क्या होता। हम सब कोशिश करते हैं कि हम किसी ना किसी को हैप्पी रहने दे सकें। सुबह भी किसी ने कुछ बोला था कि दूसरों को खुशी देते हैं तो हम समझते हैं कि भगवान खुश होंगे, तो उसी तरीके से हम समझ सकते हैं कि हम खुशी कैसे दे सकते हैं। तो मैं भी खुश होता रहा उसमें, आप लोग भी सोच रहे हो, तो हम सब एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे थे। मैं भी सोचता रहा हम कैसे खुशी दे सकते थे, तो बिकॉज नोबडी वाज देयर, दूसरी बात नॉट देयर क्लोज टू मी, नोबडी वाज देयर। तब थिंकिंग ऑन माय ओन कि अगर हम सब सच बोलें देन वी कैन गिव हैप्पीनेस टू एवरीबॉडी, बट अगेन बिकम आई एम of myself opposing myself. No, this is not the right thing. Then another thing कि अगर हम धोखा ना दें, then we can give pleasure to everybody. Then there will be no war. Everywhere peace will be there. But that is also crossing my mind that this is also not the right solution. Just find a solution, but I was not getting any solution. Any solution I was not getting. Then one thing I was knowing that Vedas are there. They have some knowledge they are having, and they are somewhat right also. But what is Vedas? What is Gita? I was not knowing. I was knowing this thing that okay, Krishna said something. He might be a god, another god of Hindu. We are having other god also in Muslim, also other god. I was not knowing any concept of this different god. I was thinking okay, somebody is there, okay na, and I don't know about him. And if I will read Gita, I will get some knowledge. But I was not even reading also because I was thinking all this philosophy is just bogus. It is not gonna help us because Krishna थे उस जमाने में थे, अर्जुन जमाने में थे, राजा महाराजा के जमाने में थे, हम तो राजा महाराजा तो कोई नहीं हम में थे। तो मैं समझता था कि ये हम पे लागू नहीं होगा। नथिंग इज एप्लीकेबल टू अस, वी हैव टू थिंक अवर ओन वेज कि हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। फिर मेरे एक फ्रेंड था आलोक सिंह माहौर, ही ओनली बॉट मी टू नियर टू सुंदरबाबू, एंड ऑन दैट डे आई वाज जोकिंग टू हिम कि यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है ये वो, और उसने कहा चल लेक्चर में होते हैं। तो आई वाज ओके, देखते हैं क्या होता है, मैं भी देख लूँगा कौन है। तो मैं वहाँ पे गया, तो आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग देयर and Prabhuji started lecturing. All the topic was deep, but I was just listening to him. Then Alok was saying to me, Alok is a senior, I think he is still there in IIT. You can meet him. He is in degree also. It's okay. So then he was pushing me. Now you can ask your question. This is the right place. You can ask any of your question, any doubt. Then in the end I started, and I remember one question I asked that. If there is one God, then why there is so many religions? And Prabhuji gave one answer that is not acceptable to me. Prabhuji said we already discussed this point in our earlier lectures. So if you want to know, you come individually to me. Then I was thinking, oh, this is the same Guru. Everybody is trying to avoid the questions. He don't know the answer. That's why he is saying this thing to me. But then I heard little more, and Prabhuji went in deep, and some questions were answered. Some questions were answered, properly answered. Means there is no flaw, and that was if we will consider God in our life, then we can get something, some solution are there. Like Prabhuji was today giving class, and he said one thing that somebody is saying we should help each other. Somebody was saying we should not, we should make hospitals, we should help like this, we should give charity. Okay, Prabhuji was saying when Prabhuji was saying we should be dedicated. Prabhuji was saying that if we will be godly, if we will become godly, godliness is there, then everything will come automatically. This is bad. You may be thinking that I am saying because I am in this dress. It is not like that. I am coming from this dress only, this dress, and I am telling my realization. This thing is true. If you become godly, only then everything will come. All solutions. I was thinking that if everybody will speak truth, then there is everywhere peace will be there. If you become godly, truth is always there because you have fear of God. You will never speak lies. If you want to help each other, one of you said that we will help each other. If you are godly, then you will treat everybody as son of God. Then you cannot beat your brother like this. You have to help him. So that case also come. So all the cases of argument, permutation, combination you think will come when you become godly. Then you consider one God. Because you are considering one God, another person also considering same God, then we are same. We are brothers. So everything we consider in the same fact if you will consider God is there. And that means then I also attended some device session also. I think today also was any device session only, device 3. So then Prabhuji gave a lecture on device 3 in my time. It was in Panival Vedic Wisdom. I was knowing, this lecture I know, because I was knowing something is there in Vedas. But I was knowing what is there. Then Prabhuji gave lecture nicely. So within 2-3 lectures only, I got the answer. Okay, this is the best. Maybe there are so many other better organizations there in a whole world about God, but this one is best. This I got to know within few days, within you can say 1 week only. And then I joined base. Harshman Guru was there. He very nicely encouraged me there. I got to know so many things. One more thing was there. I want to say, maybe it is hard for you. Sadhu Sangha, very very important. Sadhu Sangha looking very tough word. Sadhu, where they have to find sadhu and how to this only. There were all sadhus there. Harsh Pradhan Guru was there. Jitendra Guru was there. They were living there, and they are giving full confidence to me. They are helping me a lot, and they are not chastising me. Like I remember one time, I am having so many bad things I am having, but they never said this is wrong. But they think this is also better. If you will do this thing, it is more good. Then automatically I consider doing the right thing. I was doing the bad thing. And this is one more thing I got heard from somewhere, that if you want to remove the bad thing, don't remove it. It is tough. But you add more good things, then bad will automatically remove. Like you all know, it is chemistry, like you can say. If some acid you are having, put more and more water, make it dilute. Ultimately you will get 99% water and only 0.01% acid. Dilute, full dilute. Only water is there, no acid. Similarly, don't look at your bad qualities. Just add more and more good. All your bad will remove. We all are bad. Don't think that I am something special. I was not doing anything what you are doing now. I was doing everything. You cannot even imagine what I was doing. Even I was famous in IIT, for my abuses. Seriously, I am saying. If I am saying one sentence, out of that 8, if I am saying 10 word sentence, out of that 8 was abuses and now I'm only saying Hare Krishna only, nothing else. So it is a transformation of word actually. If you will chant, you will get that. If you will chant, you will get that. Just chant nicely and follow your authority. That is the only basic principle. Follow your authority. If you will not follow, you will not get anywhere. There are so many devotees also who are chanting for 10 years, 20 years, but they are still on the same platform only. Because they are not following authority, maybe, or maybe they are not chanting properly. But we can do that. We can achieve easily. So I don't know how much I follow my authority. But when I came here, I'm trying to serve here.
Many of you are coming to first year and second year. You have more opportunity to learn. And he very quickly took up. Within 1 to 2 weeks he started getting 16 years.
One more thing I want to add. I forgot to tell you. The very first lecture, I didn't have one question which I asked when he was taking Pracharam with me. He called me for Pracharam also. I asked that time that I want to go to jungle. I asked this question also. And for me that it is nice. It is like jungle is natural environment. And then Prabhu said it is nice. But this is not our philosophy to go to jungle. This is not good. What do you do in jungle? You are alone. You will do. You can do something good for you only. But this is not good. That is selfishness. So it should be good for everybody also. And now here I am in forest only in Vrindavan.
I want to add one thing. At the time he asked that I want to go to the jungle. तो प्रभु जी ने कहा जंगल में तो सभी शांत होता है. अगर आपको एक डिस्टर्ब भी अगर जंगल चला जाएगा तो शांत हो जाएगा. रियल योगी वो है जो जैसे अर्जुन के लिए बताया प्रभु जी ने. जैसे अर्जुन फाइट करते हुए भी बिल्कुल शांत था. तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि अगर आप फाइट भी कर रहे हैं लेकिन आप फिर भी आप बिल्कुल एक काम एंड पीसफुल है. तो वही रियल योगी.
गाली दे रहा है फिर भी आप शांत हैं. दैट इज रियल. शांति में तो सब शांत रहेंगे. जब टेस्ट कब है शांति का, जब आपको कोई गाली दे रहा है फिर भी आप मुस्कुरा रहे हैं. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. that you can regularly come to our village and see the Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna. Now you have to go from here to Barsana.
So, but by our